Kajimi jong hitrai bagi Nongniah kali kamai tourist taxi hakalama jong all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKMTTA Shamadan banyakhi nagadao kajingle Myntri ke sarkar ya kajingdawa kate kaseng ban khot Ïakren ban penbai halor ki jingdon kam ban khanglat iki kali kamai ki ban bar jalla ban rung shaduk ki jaka jongok kai perthai kalapan long yo Myntri ke kam jongok kai perthai uba pol lingdo ban ong makam dei ke basuk ban khot jingalang haba omdan ke Ryntih haba jubab ka jingkali ba ka ay ka ba udan man pansngo bat ka jingaki ka AKMTTA ka ba ka yo ka ya ka jingkersan na kiwai kiseng bat ka basdang ni ka step bat ka ban kot ha ka khat saw tarik unai lor arja arpusaw uba poling do ulaong ba Kumno an panlong ka jinga slok bat ki haba 100% na Nongniah kali ki de ki bampat penyaso bat kino ki kenhon bat 100% pat na ki ba de ki Nongniah kali kamai ki bladon sapryang ha ki wei pat ki kenhon bat khlam dadon ka jinga Ryntih ha padeng jongki Nalor kata ulaong balada kadon gajia tengku bat ke Assam kan wan ra jing e na kajingdon ke kat ling sun ke station rail na kajingdon ki jaka sumar ki babiang han nong ba Assam bat ban kan tho ba ka Meghalaya ka khamsan ya bhai ki nong jingok kai parthai ki bon na Assam om ka Assam ya ki balet jingok kai sha Assam.
We have had 2 stakeholders meetings with everybody connected with the tourism sector, including transporters, including hoteliers, homestay owners, drivers associations, guides. All of these have been involved in 2 rounds of discussions. What emerged from that discussion was that a number of issues were flagged, but it's very important. It's very important that the various associations come under a single platform. Now, already, even those who do not belong to any of these associations, their number is roughly 60%. 60% of these drivers do not belong to any association. The rest, 40%, are splintered into several groups. Now, how do you talk to such a large number of groups when there is not even uniformity of approach amongst them? 2, it is pure common sense that the law of demand and supply is in operation in any economy. Today, there is a shortfall of roughly 3,000 vehicles to ferry tourists inside Meghalaya. 3, it should also be the effort of the transporters, the taxi drivers, to negotiate and open discussions with their counterparts in Assam. Because today, it is a pure fact that Meghalaya depends more on tourists from Assam rather than Assam depending more on tourists visiting Assam. Would you agree with me? The airport is in Guwahati, the major airport. The railway station is in Guwahati. The hospitals, the best hospitals in the northeast are in Guwahati. Our nurses, our professionals are working in several parts of Assam. It's a very sensitive issue. So they have to know how to approach, what to approach, and to ensure that in the process of wanting more, you do not shoot your own foot. 60% of the total, it is an unorganized sector. So when we talk to, say, hoteliers, they have a hoteliers association. When you talk to these associations, there are multiple. They represent just part of East Khas Hills. What about Gar Hills? What about Kyrwoh? What about Ryntih Hills? What are their interests? What are their issues? Let them come up as a single entity and approach the government.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balai hi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya